If you don't have an oscilloscope, you can use a ring magnet and whatever component it is that you're looking to get an idea about the waveform it's producing. Then use the audio and a spectral audio analyzing app like Spectroid, which I'll show you now. You can see how the frequencies are plotted on the graph, kind of like on an oscilloscope. Obviously it's not exactly the same as an oscilloscope, and you'd have to try and figure out what it's plotting, but clearly on this is the capacitor dump. So you can see as the capacitor fills up, it fills up, and then boom, it dumps. Boom, it dumps, and I can see that but from the audio of my bar magnet, my ring magnet.